Start recording. Stop recording. But speech off.
Hello YouTube, welcome back to another to the smoke alarm video that we were doing before. This is part 2, and we had done a part where we were testing each alarm individually, and we did a smoke alarm. We did a smoke and carbon monoxide test, and we did a smoke only test. Now there's only one left we have to do, and that is a carbon monoxide only test. So let's go ahead and do that. You're ready to start your timer when it comes on.
Yep, I'm ready. Okay, so that was 14.7 seconds, so the smoke only one was the shortest.
Wait, it was that long?
Yeah, 14.7 seconds.
Well, it must be. Well, I'm thinking the reason is because of the long pause.
Yeah.
Like, cause you know, like it beeps, and then it will do like that second pause before it beeps again.
Yeah, that pause is really long.
Yeah, I don't know why they do such a long pause, but
yeah, I don't like it as super long pause either.
So now, what do you say before we end? Before we end part, what do you say before we end part 2 of the video? What do you say we what do you say we get these hooked up again and we hear them all one more time?
Sure.
And we'll start a test from this one. That way we can, because I always wonder, what are my like how are my hardwired bridge units going to react if I start a test from the carbon monoxide only unit?
Yeah, that is a good point.
All right, so I'm gonna put all 3 of these in pairing mode. Do I have room to set both of these down here? Oh, I do actually. All right, so let's go. One. Oh, I love this beep right here. Oh yeah. And last but not least, this one. Okay, and I'm gonna grab another talking one out of the box here to pair these 3 up with. Just because, to make this quicker and easier. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna wait for 3 tones. 1.
Welcome. First alert smoke alarm.
2.
Welcome. Living room location. Program.
Oh my goodness.
Press and hold. Press and hold. Test buttons to test. To change location. Press and hold. Test button now. Press and hold. Test button to test unit.
Okay, I'm glad I stopped that because I did not want them to test yet.
Welcome.
Whoa.
First alert monoxide and smoke alarm. Master bedroom.
I'm gonna close this up.
To change location, press and hold. Test button now. Press and
Close the box up.
test button to test unit.
Oops, I always close this wrong. Top cloud has to come down first. Nope, that's not right either. I don't like this box. I mean, I like it, but like. Alright, there we go. Alright. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to start a test from the carbon monoxide only unit. Now, I don't know. Now, this is going to be a first. I don't know how they're going to react. They might react kind of funny because this is a carbon monoxide only unit, so they may react. I don't know. They may react right, or they may react kind of funny. So let's just go ahead and do it and see what happens. So we're going to start a test from the carbon monoxide only unit. So here we go in 3, 2, 1.
Testing. Testing.
Whoa!
That was pretty good.
Well, that was cool.
Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in living room. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Did all 4 of the hardware ones go off, or did only 3? 'Cause I thought I heard.
I don't know. I know I heard multiple hardware ones going off.
All right, I saved that one last time, but I'm gonna try to count this time. Because I just want to make sure they're all connected, so I'm just gonna do this one last time.
Testing. 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 Testing.
It's hard to count, but what the?
Warning. Evacuate carbon monoxide in living room. Evacuate.
Oh, that one already stopped.
Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Yeah, I guess all 4 of the hardware ones were going off. I can't really tell. but I almost think they were.
Yes. I think I heard 4 going off.
That's what I thought too. But man, dude, here's the cool part. You were actually, dude. Here's the part that was even cooler. Like you were actually here in a
Right as
like,
the package arrived.
yeah, like dude,
That was really cool. Yeah.
like dude, that couldn't have been timed more perfectly, dude. That was just awesome.
Yeah, I got on the call and like a minute later the package came in.
Yeah, like dude, that like seriously, that couldn't have been timed more perfectly. That was great.
Yeah, that was awesome.
See, dude, I knew I was gonna get it today. Like, there was no way it was gonna be here June 6th, June 7th. Like when Amazon estimated that, like I was like, I know that's not right. You know.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to end it here. Alright, thank you guys for watching part 2 of this video, and we'll see you guys very soon. You got anything else you want to say?
You know, I think it's really cool that you got this really unique alarm.
Yeah, I mean...
And it's rare, too.
Yeah, this one's... Yeah, I would say this one's pretty, I would say this one's pretty extremely rare, I guess. Is it... I don't know, would you say it's extremely rare, or would you say it's kind of rare?
I don't think it's extremely rare. I would just say it's like normal rare.
Right?
But I've never seen this one like in real life before, so...
I haven't either. Like I'm so glad that, like seriously, though, like I'm so glad to have it. Like, really. Because... But the funny thing is, it looks like a smoke detector, even though it's not. It like, yeah. Seriously, it looks like a smoke detector. but it's not.
It is pretty interesting.
Yeah, it literally looks just like a smoke detector, but it's just a carbon monoxide detector. That's funny. How they made it look just like a smoke alarm. Alright, so we're gonna end it here.
Stop recording. Speech off.
Alright, before I end, is there anything you want to say?
No, not really.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna say before I go, yeah, it was really nice having you here.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome. And before we go, I'll end it with a beep from my smoke alarm powered box here. Now, I don't know if that's a first alarm speaker or what that's from, but I'll do a video. But I'll do a video, guys, on this beeper box in a later date, because this thing's pretty cool. So I'll do a video on this soon. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and peace out.